mostly in the teens. Yes, they consolidated and prayed, but they didn't have their own synagogue. Maybe they rented a space or some such thing. But they built this synagogue in 1927, where they accumulated enough money. And when you leave the synagogue, as soon as you pass through that door, look up, turn around and look up, and you'll see the names of the principal donors. And the top of the principal donors will be my name, Colchamiro. Colchamiro. Elliot. Ben Moshe, Colchamiro. Last name Colchamiro. Does that sound Jewish? Colchamiro. But if I say Colchamiro, it starts to sound a little more Hebraic. Colchamiro. The night before Pesach, the ritual you go through while searching for the chametz, candle and a feather if you're Orthodox, the first two words of that ritual. When you get home, take a look at your supermarket Haggadah. Look at the first page and you'll see the prayer while searching for the chametz. Kol Hamira, all of the breadcrumbs, all of the chametz. May it be that all of this chametz that I don't see as though it doesn't exist. So my great-great-great-grandfather was always searching in Greece. Searching for what? Fabric maybe. Rags, I don't know. What's he searching? What is he doing? The Colchamiro? Nickname. Colchamiro. Most surnames as a result of the nickname. Where you're from, what your color of your eyes are, you have a big nose, etc. Hence, Colchamiro. That's the reason for my name. It's a side track. Let's get to the track itself. Built in 1927, restored in 2012, and the architect of record for the restoration has my name because he's my brother. And when you look outside, look at the plaque, as well as the plaque, the small plaque between the two memorials, and you'll see my brother's name, Leonard Colchamiro, Leonardo, Leonard Colchamiro, Elliot Colchamiro, and the third brother, of course, Jesse Colchamiro, Mr. Love, who's broken-hearted because this is the first festival, Greek Jewish festival he's missed. He has a wedding. He's broken-hearted, true. Right, Deborah?
Yes.
All right, where am I? Take a look at the orientation of the synagogue. This synagogue has a very different orientation and layout than an Ashkenazi synagogue. Well, what's the difference? Of course, we have an ark. Of course, we have a binah, but they're not together. The congregation is not looking at the ark, but sitting beside the ark. That is a traditional Sephardic synagogue. Yes, we're Romaniac, but the Sephardic traditions and Romaniac traditions pretty much overlap. I need some water, sorry.